The more people get vaccinated, I think one can flatten the curve. At least that's what the experts are saying. Yes, so we're going to get ourselves vaccinated today.
See, at the end of the day, right, if you take the vaccine, like the first and second dose, it doesn't mean that you're safe. You have to be careful.
Hi folks, hope you're doing well. We've set out today, me and the boss, to get ourselves vaccinated. So they've just opened vaccination in our category. In the work that I do, I'm outside meeting people. Of course, I wear my mask most of the times, except when I'm eating. So we just thought it would be safe to get the vaccine.
It's also a responsibility to get vaccinated. The more people get vaccinated, the faster we can eradicate this corona pandemic.
The more people get vaccinated, I think one can flatten the curve. At least that's what the experts are saying. And right now, in certain parts of the world, certain parts of the country too, there is the onset of the second wave. And so if more people get vaccinated, so I guess the virus doesn't have the opportunity to transmit easily, and therefore one can flatten the curve. So yes, so we're going to get ourselves vaccinated today.
Aadhaar card?
Just the Aadhaar
Just
card.
the Aadhaar card. After going there, you can register. So it's very simple. After the vaccination, you just have to wait for half an hour, and that's that.
Shree's done all the inquiries, so we just have to take our Aadhaar card there, and hopefully there isn't much of a wait. But I think we have to wait there for them to observe or something, right?
Half an hour.
Half an hour. So we're going to one of the hospitals which is quite close to home, and they've just asked us to walk in. So let's see what happens.
See, at the end of the day, right, if you take the vaccine, like the first and second dose, it doesn't mean that you're safe. You have to be careful. If you just get COVID, then the symptoms will be, won't be that bad. So better to get vaccinated.
I mean, there's less chances of you getting it, and even if you do get it,
Yeah. The symptoms won't be very bad.
it won't be as bad. Even after getting the first dose, second dose of the vaccine, this is a 2-dose vaccine. When do we have to take the second dose?
After 5-6 weeks.
So you are vaccinated, but doesn't mean that you've become a superhuman and you are now immune to COVID entirely.
Right. You just have to follow the whatever you're doing, wearing the mask, washing the hands, all those things, like you have to follow the same regimen what you used to. But then, like the more people get vaccinated, the better.
Where is the entrance? Oh, there's a queue of cars there.
Should I go check it out, Chinna? See, I have about 10-15 minutes.
There seems to be plenty of people here getting vaccinated. Where did you put the Aadhaar card?
Covishield, right? Yeah.
How long will it take?
1 hour.
1 hour.
98-451. Not that crowded, no?
But I think there must be people already gone, right? Yes, I am.
Good Lord.
How are you?
Fine, sir. I'll watch all videos in the series, sir.
Do you watch all my videos?
Yes, sir. Yesterday I watched with Punit Rajkumar, sir.
You watched with Mr. Puneet Rajkumar.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Manoj, sir. I'm a medical intern here.
Oh, you're a medical intern here. Nice. We've registered our name. Now we need to register on the system, which is what Shri is doing right now. And then we go and pay. First dose, that's right.
Can I have your Aadhaar card?
This is my Aadhaar card.
Please be seated. Your mobile number, age, remove your mask and hat.
Okay. So this photo goes into the system, is it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Go to billing counter.
Billing counter.
Yes.
That's it? You need the other? Thank you.
That's the confirm. This can be kept inside.
ಬರೀ
एक भय रिलैक्स ಇರಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು ಪೇನ್ಫುಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಉಜ್ಬೇಡಿ
That's it?
That's it.
It's not even like an ant break.
Yeah.
You relax, don't make face thunder. आराम से
Okay.
one small break.
Okay.
Is it painful?
Not at all.
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it. Wait for
Over.
this. Yes.
That's not painful at all. Huh?
Step, yeah.
It's over.
Is that?
Wow. I think that's the least painful injection that I've ever received. Huh? I can't believe it.
Okay.
Fantastic.
It's 12:50. So we have to wait till 12:45.
12:45. Yeah, you make a record, ma'am. She will call you once 12:45. You have to sign in the book and go.
So is there any care that we need to take now? Any fever, anything we'll get?
You may get fever, body pain, headache, or pain at the side. Please, if you get, you can take one Dolo 650.
That's it.
That's it.
This side I will get the pain. And
And is
can we
the-
go to office and all?
No problem. You can do. No, don't rub.
Don't rub. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
That's
Thank
very,
you so
very
much,
good.
sister.
Thank you.
I think that's it.
Such a small injection can do wonders later.
Still can't believe that we don't have any pain.
Yeah, it's like, like it's just like a very small prick. It's like not even like a regular injection.
Wait for half an hour.
Just go home and get back to your routine work, whatever you're doing. Suppose just in case if you develop any fever or any body pains or anything, you just have to take Dogo 650, just rest. That's it. Have a healthy meal and rest.
Really is one of the least painful injections that I've ever taken. I think it's probably the thickness of the needle, or rather the thinness of it, and I think the skill of the nurse. So there's absolutely no pain. They've written down the time that we've taken the vaccine and we have to wait 30 minutes. And if all is well, they will tell us that we can leave. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Thank
So
you.
next time ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ
ಹಾಂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೋಸ್
ಸರಿ ಹೌದಾ
6 to 8 ವೀಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೋಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ BBMPಯಿಂದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ
ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್
If it doesn't come,
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 6 to 8 ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಚಾರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
888 ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ
Okay, thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
The vaccine that we took, COVID shield. First dose, time. So this is the time that I think they put it in the system. So we already have a text from the authorities saying that we've been vaccinated with our first dose with COVID shield, Covishield, and that we can download our vaccination certificate here. Let's see what that is about. But you have to register, I think, first. Okay, enter your mobile number 160693. Enter the OTP. Oh, I got it. Vaccination certificate. That's so cool. Vaccination details, Covishield, date of dose 1st April, batch number, next due date after 28 days. And I think the nurse who vaccinated us was called Nalini, and the location, Sagar Hospital. So this is issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Provisional certificate for COVID-19 vaccination first dose. Let's get the boss's certificate too. Enter the mobile number. What's your mobile number? You want to say it for the camera? You can also get some of the calls that I get. Screenshotted and saved my first vaccination certificate. What are you doing, Shri?
I'm just going through some comments. Your video yesterday which you released, right, with Puneet Rajkumar.
That was a fun video.
23 minutes, you don't mind watching it again and again. So it's very nice.
It was fun shooting it, and I think people are also enjoying it thoroughly. Just over
Yeah.
a day, I think we've done close to 750,000 views on that video. So if you haven't caught it yet, I'm going to place a link in the description and also here.
7.5 lakhs. Oh my goodness. Awesome. I think you guys should do the sequel also. The non-vegetarian, both you and Puneet Rajkumar. I think both of you thoroughly enjoy your non-vegetarian food, it looks like.
Of course, I enjoy my non-veg Utah, but I do a lot of vegetarian on the show too now.
Yeah. Thanks to me. Earlier, you used to know only like bindi and cauliflower and a couple of vegetables. I really had to teach you what is what.
Shri had to teach me what a vegetable is. That's what she says. So she's been working on me for a long time. I'm still work in progress.
That's
I think that's the way it will be for a long time. But yeah, so if you see the vegetarian videos on Food Lovers TV, and 50% of our videos are vegetarian. So typically I do 2 releases every week and one of them is always vegetarian. So if you see the veg videos, you have Shri to thank. Shri is reading all the comments.
ಪುನೀತ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅಮಣ್ಣ ಪುನೀತ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಮಣ್ಣ
I love that line from the movie, from Yuvaratna. Now I know it in Kannada also. Front bench nalli kutkondre blackboard ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ bench nalli kutkondre ಇಡೀ world ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. How was my delivery?
But nobody can beat Puneet Rajkumar.
Of course.
You did a decent job.
I get consolation prize for that dialogue delivery. Okay, another 5 minutes.
Yes.
Another 5 minutes to go before we get summoned by the lady there. I think we sign something and then we are free to go. Great job by the hospital here, Sagar Hospital. We came in at about 11:45, 12, and what was the time now? 12:50, and we're out already. And that includes the 30 minutes wait that we have after the vaccine. Very nicely organized. And the best part is the vaccine was completely painless. Of course, you may get the fever, you may get some body ache.
If you get also, it's okay.
If you get also, it's fine, but at least we've done what we set out to do, that is to get ourselves vaccinated. So we're back home after the vaccine, and do you feel safer?
Yeah, it's nice because it's your social responsibility, so you have to get inoculated.
If more people get vaccinated, we think that the virus doesn't have much of an opportunity to spread in the community. And so yes, so we've done a bit. We've got ourselves vaccinated for our own safety as well. But just because we've gotten vaccinated doesn't mean we're going to let our guard down. We're still going to wear our masks. We're going to wash our hands thoroughly and all of that. So I think for all of you watching out there, if you have an opportunity to get vaccinated, I think you should seriously consider it. Because after all, I think if we individually take care of ourselves, I think we will be safe collectively too.
Correct.
So we just wanted to share this short vlog on getting the vaccination, because I think many of you have questions out there, will perhaps have questions out there in terms of how it works, what happens, etc. And we therefore wanted to just put this together just for the benefit of all of you out there who may be watching it and who may be thinking about getting vaccinated. So I hope you found this short vlog useful. Take care and stay very, very safe.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.